Well, mate, bit of fun here, but on social media it's gone crazy, and a lot of the underlying sort of talk has been, or the chat has been, who can actually blow out, who's got the biggest lung capacity. Now, you're a pretty competitive guy, as I am.
I'm very competitive, and when it comes to sports, tennis, football, cricket, table tennis the other day, we've got a bit of a tally going, and because it's for the fans, we'll challenge each other, but then we'll also challenge the fans.
All right, so yeah, that's a good call actually. Get some vision of you and who's got the biggest lung capacity, who can breathe out the longest.
Okay.
Ready?
So we might need VAR on this.
We'll do a 1, 2, 3, then we'll go.
Go. Wow. So, in this competition, Brett has won, and I'm going to have to take defeat.
That's how you had it.
Yeah, I'm going to take defeat. So, we can say it's 1-1 for this trip.
Yeah, good point. Work on it. Let us know. Send some video in.
So, Brett, we've just had a competition. You've won out of us two for see how long you can better breathe into the device. Let's time it.
When I started, my record was 5 seconds.
Okay.
All right, let's have a look.
Okay, so on 3, go. All right, 1, 2, 3, go.
Wow. 15, not bad.
15.81.
Best is 20, but...
So for me, best when I started was 5 seconds as well, but I'm still learning. You know, breathing in and holding my breath, I can hold it for a very long time because of meditation, but breathing out, the exhaling is something that I'm still getting used to with opening my lungs. So at the moment, I'll give you that title, but I might as well try it now as well. Can you press start for me?
Of course, it'd be an absolute pleasure, Mr. Cahill. 3, 2, 1... Racing. $11 seconds. Not bad.
Yeah.
But you know, also too, I had the flu last week, and I can hear the last remnants of the flu that I've been able to cough all this stuff up, which has been horrible. So
that goes on to another point is what it does to your lungs. It vibrates and it moves the mucus and makes the mucus come up. And even now I can feel in my throat. If I go like that, I can feel it.
That'll make some good vision.
Yeah, but the 11 seconds for me is a lot. But also when I think about it, my first blow was like really powerful and quick. So maybe that first powerful blow, I should slow it down even more. So now it's making me think that, 10 seconds, 11 seconds isn't bad. I
think on a general rule, if you can do 10 seconds, it's A grade.
Yeah.
And it's how hard you want to actually expel the air too. So try it.